what is the current state of AI? Can we use ChatGPT to generate a cloud backend for a very simple Internet of Things application? Let's take a look together. This is the most basic setup I could think of. We want Chat to generate a Python code that will use AWS CDK to create AWS Cloud infrastructure required to send telemetry data from our devices using MQTT protocol to the cloud and to store obtained data. Let's execute this query and see what we will get. So Chat gives us some hints how to install AWS CDK, which is always nice. Some info about configuration, but what we are really interested in is the Python code itself. So it starts with S3 bucket, and S3 bucket is valid destination for telemetry data, so that's fine. Then it creates an IoT thing, which is the representation of our physical devices, that's okay. It creates the IoT policy, and IoT policy defines the actions the thing can invoke. So in this case, that specific thing can publish, so it can send MQTT messages to any MQTT topic. But there is a huge issue with this setup. First of all, our device cannot connect to AWS IoT Core in the first place, because the IoT Connect action is not included into policy. So that setup won't work. Let's go further. We've got the attachment of the policy to a thing, but as we said, that won't work anyways. We will get the output, so the CDK will print out the IoT endpoint, which is fine, but that's basically it, because we've got a device that sends data to the cloud, but it cannot connect, so it won't be able to send. We've got a bucket that is totally disconnected, so data from our device does not arrive to the bucket in any ways. As you can see, this setup is far from perfect. If you're interested in this topic, please join my future webinar when I will go into details how you can fine-tune ChatGPT to generate the IoT backend and IoT edge logic for a solution. I will also show the security issues that we always got to concern when we are using this kind of tools. All the best. Łukasz Malinowski, the Internet of Things advisor and trainer.